So hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. I just woke up. I can't ride my bike because it's so freaking wet. Look at this. And when I woke up, I punched my lip and now I'm bleeding, I think. Yeah, I'm bleeding. So that's a good thing. Good thing to wake up to. Let's see. I hear my cats. Let's go put on some socks first. We need some sockies. I hate cold feet. Okay. So yeah, I'm putting my socks on, but I also want to show a little update on my legs. So there's no more skin peeling off. I haven't shaved, so don't worry about that. But there's no more skin falling off. It's just still, it's pretty red. I don't know if you can see. In the new socks. New? They're not new. They're old. Alright, let's go meet my cat. Hey, Doki! Hey! Hey, mag niet. Get back into the room. Get back in the room. Loki! Hey! Who's a good boy? So the cats made a freaking mess. We got Loki here. Loki! Loki, I love you. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yeah? What a good boy. Huh? Loki! That's a good boy. So my other girl has also finally woken up. Hello, Felix. So they made a huge mess. I need to clean this up first. There we have our boy. Hello, Felix. What are you doing? So I'll go clean up this mess first. I cannot cope with this right now, so we need to clean it up. By the way, I bought 2 board games. So we have this one, The Legend of Endor, which is a Dutch pronunciation. How do I say? Pronunciation? I don't know. But yeah, this is in Dutch, so you can see. Normally it would be The Legend of Endor, but now it's like De Legende van Andor. That's it in Dutch. And then we have The Crew, which is like a card game. I put all the things in like these boxes, which helps. Because if you every time have to get everything out of the bags, it's just annoying. But I really like this one. We completed the first legend, so we still have to do the other ones. I think there's 4 total. But anyway, so my girlfriend isn't here today. I got the house for myself for today. So we have the cats. We cannot ride bikes, so I have a to-do list for my girlfriend for the weekend. So we need to clean the cat house, which is over here. There's the cat house. As you can see, it's really dirty. We have one cat inside. It's called Loki, but I need to clean that. We need to then also, what else do we have to do? We have to clean out the cat litters. So all these 3 that are here, and there's 2 inside the cat house. Then we need to clean the chicken house. Shall I put a light on? Clean the chicken house and put some new hay into the chicken house thing. Upstairs I need to vacuum also the hallways and the toilets. I need to order some bicycle lights. I need to ride BMX, but I can't because it's raining. I don't want my bike to get wet. And we need to clean out the disher. So yeah, those are my jobs for today. Right now I'm first gonna make myself some food. And I don't know if you like this kind of video, but I think I'm just gonna try it. I mean, there's a lot of days that I can't ride, so we need to boil some water. We need to get a cat out of the kitchen. You're not allowed to be here. Get out of here. So this cat has got really skinny. Look at it. It's really skinny. I don't know why. She looks pretty healthy. There's no problems with her. But as you can see, like it isn't much fat on here. What is going on, girl? But she looks the same as she always has been. I mean, she can jump. Jump, jump, jump. Nope. No problems there. But I just found her to be a little bit more skinny than usual. Maybe she's like normal weight now. But if you look at this cat, like look at that. That is a handful. Look at this cat. That's a handful. Yeah. The fun fact about the ragdoll cats is that when you like touch them, they make their muscles really soft. I can show you, like when I go here, they just become like flat almost. This, look how funny that is. But he is very beautiful. Also, I always need to clean out his nose because dust just keeps appearing there. I can show you. There's not that much there right now, but you need to clean it sometimes. Ruby! Hey! Nee? So yeah, we need to clean that out. There's actually a computer, we built it like a few months ago. We built it ourselves. And it's really good. We kind of used it like a media player, but also that we can play some games. So like Warzone works on here as well. But it's more like a media player. But it's better to have a decent computer here, in my opinion, than just a regular media player. What is that? Oh, it's like a leaf. The chickens are outside. The chickens woken up. So we used to always have them in the garden as well, but they just destroy the entire grass. There's nothing left after that. If you have them a week in the field, there's just no grass anymore. So we had to come up with something. But they seem pretty happy there, so it's okay. It's okay. They can also go in their house in case they don't want to get wet, but they don't care. They don't care. Do they care, Loki? Do they care? They don't care. So we're in my kitchen. Wow. So we go make some food. I usually always eat. I don't eat bread in the morning. I can, but I just don't. I always eat this stuff. This stuff is good. And it's easy. You don't have to do much. Just pour it in. Just pour it in, Loki. Loki. Then we go and grab the, what do you call these? Dutch is druiven. In English it's berries? No. I don't remember the word. Hey Google, what is druiven in het English?
Thrive is used as a verb to mean of a child, animal, or plant grow or develop well or vigorously.
What?
Do you want to hear thrive used in a sentence?
No! The downside lately is that there's a lot of... They rot really fast after a few days already. Oh no! Well, the other one is a gunner. So we go clean those and we put them inside. Also, when you have bad, I'm just gonna call them berries because I don't know the word, but berry seems pretty okay. So even when we have bad ones, we don't throw them away. We don't throw anything away here. We don't throw anything away. We go outside. We go outside. And we give to the chickens. So it isn't much, but it's something. It makes the chickens happy. And they give us eggs in return. It's a how do you call it, recycle process. So only the cats don't give us anything in return. Only they make a mess. So we got the berries in there, lots of berries, because those berries they start to go bad really fast. So we just put a lot in it. So it lasts us about 2 days, I think. We got milk. We put milk in there. Pour in the milk. Ooh, there we go. And now we have a breakfast, a healthy breakfast. I can't open it with one finger. I'll put that back. Now we need to make the tea for my, where's my thingy? Oh, it's probably inside here, I think. Let's see, oh, there it is. Okay, that's clean. We take one of this. We got some tea. We got a tea sack. Put it inside. We take one sugar. It's also like better sugar than the white ones. We pour in this. So I kind of drink my tea pretty weird for Dutch people. So normally Dutch people just drink it like this. I do not. My mother used to always make it for me so that it wouldn't be too hot. So she put in milk. So milk is Dutch. So we put this one here, and then we usually take this one, lay it in here for a little bit so it can dry. Then we take the milk again. I like milk. Pour in the milk. That makes it so much better. Alright, here we go. Now we need to get something to eat with. Alright, there we go. No. Bon appetit. Got me a breakfast. Where's my phone? Look, this cat always goes this way to the toilet. No, he goes back inside. And look how much mess he makes. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this real quick and then we'll go continue with the chores, which is gonna be a lot of fun to watch. So the weird thing about my GoPro is that I didn't even touch it. And then all of a sudden it started recording me. And now it freaking stopped recording me. I don't know what it's doing. It's going crazy though. I'm scared. Can I eat in peace? I guess I'll just leave it on. It wants to record, and then I'll just let it record me. I guess you're gonna watch me eat. That's fun. I think I might have dropped it a little bit too much on his head. Or maybe my cat controlling it all along. Look at him. Are you controlling it? Yes. Anyway, I go finish up and hope it doesn't start recording again. Then I make this noise. The cats will come over here, look. They know that I'm almost finished with this. No, don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera. Good boy. I'm just done with my breakfast, so I have to go and clean this up. Yes, I love you. I love you. Loki! Loki! Loki, Loki! Hey, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? But it's probably going to be the best content I ever release, but I'll probably put a disclaimer at the beginning or in the title or something. What? Open? No, you're not allowed to go there. So the first thing we need to do is get all this stuff back into the drawers. Gonna be super fun to do. Let's do it. Anyway, I did my first job, so we need to take a break because it's Saturday. You don't want to overwork on Saturday. We turn on this. We wait for the machine to heat up. Put 1 sugar in, 1 milk, a little bit of normal milk. I don't use coffee milk anymore. It's too fat. This is better. What are you doing in the freaking fridge? That's not okay. We press this one. Here it goes. So let's turn on the best computer. So this one we built is about 2 months ago, I think. But look at this. What? What? So yeah, there's a lot of what do you call it? RGB, red, green, blue lights in there. So even the RAM sticks also have lights in there. So I never built a computer before, but I just followed a tutorial with my girlfriend and we put this together. It was not really that hard. And it was a lot of fun to do, so let's go boot it up. Then we turn on the TV. Oh, look at that. But look at this. Look at this. This is so sharp, and that's why I built this computer, so we can easily watch this. That is looking pretty. So this computer was about 700 euros, I think. But we can also play Warzone on here. It's not the most powerful video card, but it can play a lot of games. So we don't want this to be the best PC anyway. I got upstairs a lot better PC, but yeah, look, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna watch my YouTube, take a coffee, and then we go continue the chores. Whoa, look at that. That's freaking lying. So this couch is like the best one ever. I mean, if you lay back, oh, there you go. You got something to put your foot on. Isn't that great? You can just, we bought this so we can have like a kind of like a cinema where you can watch. We just need a bigger screen. I think if it will fill the entire wall, it would be even better. But for now, this is pretty good. I'm happy with this. So we got me coffee here. Miss is always right. That's true. Oh, we got Loki on here. Loki's gonna come. What are you doing, Loki? Hey, Loki. I love you. Who's a good boy? I always like what he does with his paws. Like he's giving me a massage. Thank you, Loki. I love you. Who's a good boy? Yeah, you're gonna lay here, keep me warm. Nice. Got my own blankie here. Oh, aren't you cute? Aren't you cute, Loki? Hey, aren't you cute? I love you. So I'm gonna continue my coffee and then we're gonna go continue the chores. Anyway, I just watched the Road to Recovery Scotty Kramer. It's really interesting if you haven't watched it. It's just really I don't know, I even tear up again. But he's just such a legend. Anyway, it's my cat. And that's also something I wanted to show you all, that on my bike. Let's go show it quickly and then we'll go back to the chores. But on my bike I've put all parts of people I respect, mostly. So we got Sunday because I know a lot of good riders who are on Sunday, and also Spencer usually rides on Sunday, so I respect him a lot. So Odyssey is just a brand I really like. And then we have the Scotty Kramer bars, which is, I think it's an I don't know, I just saw Scotty Kramer on it, and that's made me the reason to buy these bars. And I bought these bars first, so they're pretty much like jet fuel, I think. And I kind of fell in love with these bars, so I was like, yeah, why would I change it? And then I changed to these bars, which are so much cheaper. They're like $70 or something. These ones were about 200, I think. So I think these were a lot cheaper. I don't remember the exactly price, but that's a reason why some of these bars are on my bikes. Just because I respect a lot of people who ridden those bars. And also this frame is from Aaron Ross, because Aaron Ross is a great rider. And yeah, I just buy parts to how do you say this? To respect the riders who ride for them and that sort of stuff. So if they're good, why not keep them? Anyway, I just finished watching that. Made me emotional. Sometimes that's good. Sometimes you need to let the tears run down because it's healthy. So now we turn off the computer. There we go. Turning that off. So I guess we go clean now, which is fun, but not really. So we can do, let's start with the inside jobs first. So that means that we have to do the vacuum. So we'll do vacuum cleaning the room, then we go upstairs and we do the other parts. I always listen to a podcast, so I can show you which podcast I'm currently listening to is on Spotify. I don't have an account, but you can still listen to podcasts. So I'm currently listening to the Cult. Cults are really interesting if you're interested in that sort of stuff. We got the Mom's Basement from Keemstar, if you don't know who he is, just a drama channel. Then we have the Unclicked podcast. And we have Sebastian Keep's podcast, which I also listen to, but he doesn't post that much. But right now we're going to continue the cults. Same here. Alright, we go to clean the chickens now. And then we go clean the cat room thingy. Hey! Come on. Whoa. Massive spider web. Hey! Oh. Oh no, it's cracked. Oh my god. So she was about to lay an egg. But now it's cracked. I don't know if you can still use it. It's not broken. I'll ask. So I didn't know she was going to lay it, and I tore her out, and that's the moment she laid it. So what's up? What's up? It's okay. Wanna go inside? Go inside. Go inside. Go, go, go. We need to open it anyway. Is she here again? Come, 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 come. Ah. No. So you're probably wondering why is there not that much at the bottom. So I can show you. Usually what happens is that chickens starting to eat in their own eggs, and that's always something that's a risk. And usually what people then do is they either get rid of the chicken. We kind of didn't want to do it. So the reason why they're so low in here, so they don't nest in here. Because if they start nesting in here, that's going to be a problem. And that's also the reason why there's not that much in here either. So they can only nest. They can only nest here, so there's enough here for them to lay an egg. But we made it like, well, my girlfriend made it, so that it goes like downhill and then it falls into here. And then we can get the eggs out of here. So that's the only reason how we still get eggs. I mean, otherwise they just, they eat the eggs, so you have to think about how you're going to solve it, or you have to get rid of the chickens. But well, they're kind of like our pets, so we don't want to get rid of them. And this way we still get eggs. They occasionally do eat one, but sometimes we get 3 eggs a day. So if they eat one, is that really a problem? I don't know. But yeah, this egg, she just laid on the rocks and it kind of made a little dent in there. But I don't know, it's not seemed to leak. But there's definitely a hole, but I think it's like the outer layer is broken, but the inner layer is still there. So I think I'll bring it inside and we might be able to eat it tonight or something. I mean, it doesn't seem to leak, so I definitely think the inner sac, which is there, is still intact. It's just the outer layer has been broken. So not sure how fast it will then go bad, but we'll ask. There's all the chickens, and they're right away making a mess. So they pick all the nice food out of it, and they pretty much pour everything out of the little thing. They do like grass a lot, so sometimes I just take a little bit of grass, like, ooh, I pulled so much out. A little bit of grass. Look, they love it. Anyway, now we need to do the cat living room. The cat room. Yeah, what's up? So the downside is that Loki's here, and I can show you what happens if Loki is here. So I'm gonna take the key. Oh, there we go, there's the key. So when Loki is here, there's an issue. He just goes outside. Where is he going? So it isn't really that big of a deal, but he does, when the doors open, he tries to go outside, so we'll let him eat a little bit of grass. It's good for their we'll put the rug here. Well, if I start vacuum cleaning, then he will get scared, so but we'll take the vacuum cleaner for now. Maybe he will go inside. Loki, the vacuum cleaner. Oh, now he gets scared. So now I need to go and lift him inside. So we'll go pick him up. He needs to go inside. You need to go inside, boy. You need to go inside. Go inside. Oh, I forgot that I still left the door open, which is not good if the other cats are here. So yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning this, and I'll be so you can see how messy it is now, and then I'll show you the afterthought. So I cleaned it. Looks a lot better. We cleaned that one. 2 objectives complete. Hey! So it's looking a lot more clean. I think I've done with all the chores almost. So we got this one corrected now. We done this one, so we can do those and we can do those. So there's still 2 things left. BMX I can't do today, so it's probably gonna be tomorrow. If I include BMX in this video as well, I'll probably put a timestamp at the beginning of the video, so people who are not interested in this sort of stuff. I'm just trying it out. I don't know if you're gonna like it. Watching somebody do chores, is that fun? Anyway, right now we go and order some lights. So I guess we could just use the TV screen, which would be a very big screen because it's better. What's up, Loki? I'm sweating. Alright, there we are, back on the screen. So I can get my laptop out, but this computer boots up so much faster, so there isn't really any point to do that. Because in my country, if you don't have them, you're gonna get a really high ticket if they caught you. So where else to buy lights for your bike is AliExpress. Let's go there. So yeah, I know we get a coupon. Okay, let's go look for fietslicht. Yes, that's Dutch. So I want those things. They are freaking brilliant. Look, they only cost 30 cents here. Yeah, these things somehow stay always on my BMX, so we're gonna freaking order some. So we can choose where it ships from, depending on that. Let's see, we want the purple color. Alright, it ships from France, which is a little bit more. Kind of makes no sense, because why is there sending US €3.25? So if I use China, it's not gonna charge me that. No. So I'm kind of checking what is the cheapest. I'm assuming we're just gonna ship it from China. It's gonna take a little bit longer. It's gonna be around 8th December. But it's still dark then, so it's gonna be fine. So yeah, we'll order. Let's just order like 5 or something. Real quick. So these ones, €7.50. And when I was on AliExpress, which I ordered the same lights from, they were only 60 cents. It's a freaking scam. But anyway, I need them right now because we'll do this one. We'll cancel the other one. Also 7th October, okay, whatever. So yeah, we're done with all the chores. I ordered those lights. They will come in a few days. It is what it is. But I also am gonna get 5 pairs from AliExpress. Alright, let's go. Look at this beautiful picture. Ramp and anything. I think he does like a flare or something. It kind of looks like he's coming from this direction in here, but I could be wrong. Look at the little kid watching, like, what is he doing? He's upside down. Everything done. Uh-oh, Loki's coming. Loki's coming, look. Let's go hide. Let's go hide. Let's go hide from Loki. Oh. There you are. Hey. What's up, Loki? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Where are you going, Loki? Where are you going, Loki? Hey! Let's go, Loki. Meow! Meow! Come on, Loki, let's run. Loki, come! You can't ride your bike. So I'm hoping that tomorrow will be better weather. If so, then I will make a BMX video tomorrow. For now, it's just watching me do chores. But I'm done with all the chores. Wow, Loki. Loki is beautiful though. Loki makes everything better. Right, Loki? You make everything better. And you are beautiful. And there we have the other two cats sleeping. Brother and sister. Brother. What do you want? What do you want from me? That's happy. And I am happy, so yeah. Ooh. He's a good boy. I love you. Loki is a really a cuddling cat. He doesn't like to be alone. Huh? You don't like to be alone, huh? Loki, come! Loki! Hey! He just walks away and then he's done with cuddling, so I'm gonna wait for that, and then there we go. He just walks away. He's done. He's just gonna chill on his own. See, now he's done cuddling. Sometimes it takes like 20 minutes, sometimes it just takes 10 minutes or 1 minute. So now he's just gonna sleep. He's happy I'm here. And probably when I walk away, he's gonna meow. He's gonna start meowing again. But when I'm here, it's all good. He's happy. See? He's still using his claws. So thank you for all watching. If you did enjoy this kind of content, the reason is I can only make a video like in the weekends. So you are beautiful. Yeah. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. If you don't like this kind of content, also do a thumbs down so I know. And if you do like it, then do a thumbs up so I can know in the future I can still do this as well. So I can at least make sure I get a video every week, even though I sometimes cannot write. So I have to think about something else. I was thinking about doing gaming content as well, but I don't know. It feels weird because then you're gonna get audience from people who ride bikes, and you're gonna get people who prefer you play video games. So yeah, it's not something I've been thinking about yet. Maybe I'll start a different channel where I do gaming content. But for now, I still need to buy a new PC as well in order to do that, because I can't, like, my computer isn't powerful enough to like play Warzone and record it at the same time. So it's something I'm thinking about. I'm saving money currently for that. So I want to buy 2 new PCs and have them really fast, like the top of the what you can get at that time. So Currently I'm saving 250 euros a month for it, so should be around, I think, 4 or 5 months from now before I have it done. So if you want a good PC, it's going to cost you around over $1,000. So. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you all later. Have a great weekend. And Loki's going to say goodbye. Bye, Loki. Oh, he's so cute. Alright, one more thing. We completed this one. This is a question mark. We don't know if you can write tomorrow. So if I can write tomorrow, I'll definitely make another video. But for now, I'm going to edit this one.